Sure bafethu. A couple of weeks back ngaphosta nansi i-course enhle kanti bafethu nansi i-course solar installation asambe siyozama, right? So nami ngithathile le course lena and today was day 1 for mina, okay? So I'm just doing that video lena just to tell you ukuthi yini ebesiyenza kahle kahle kule course le namhlanje day 1. So first things first, into esiqale ngayo ukuthi sikhulume ngendaba ukuthi ugesi siwuphehla kanjani, okay? Yimaphi ama-processes esiwasebenzisayo? So sikhuluma izinto ey'fana nabo-natural gas, nuclear energy, abo-wind power, abo-geothermal, abo-coal. Okay, so izona zinto esikhuluma ngazo lezo. Okay, next sasikhuluma ngendaba zama-laws kagesi, abo-Ohm's law no-Kirchhoff's law basically. Okay, now lapho bafethu bekubalwa-ke lapho ngoba lapho suke subala khona abo-voltage, abo-resistance, i-resistance ne-current, yeah, ne-current. So guys, ayisabisi leyashandisi leyana into esayenziwa grade 9. Noma ngabe mhlampe unayo into yokuthi ngiyayisaba lento le, thatha incwadi kamshana, bheka ama-page encwadini kamshana uzobona uzoyibamba fast leyashandisi le. Okay, so afterwards sasikhuluma iy'ndaba zabo ama-types of ama-circuits, abo-parallel series again, thatha incwadi kamshana, ikhona leyo nto le encwadini kamshana. Okay, grade 9. Next sikhulume ngendaba zabo alternating current, direct current, what are the differences, pros, cons, etc. So ngiyacabanga grade 10 lo physics, physics yafunda leyo nto leyo. Okay, thereafter sesikhuluma ngendaba zama-types of solar generation system, solar energy generation systems ke lapho sesikhuluma khona ngabo off grid, hybrid, yini lena ngikhohle ukuthi yini lena, grid tied. Okay, grid tied, off grid no hybrid system, photovoltaic system. Okay, uzoyazi uma uzofunda le course le. Thereafter sesikhuluma indaba zama-types of ama-solar panel, abo-monocrystalline, abo-polycrystalline, abo-thin film solar panels. So sikhuluma indaba zokuthi what are the differences, pros, cons, those sort of things. Okay, so suke lapho sasingena endabeni yokuthi okay, ibalwa kanjani nakhuzana i-cost of ugesi. Okay, ibalwa kanjani i-cost of ugesi, ubala kanjani ugesi odingayo. So zonke lezo zinto lezo sengiyazazi yabo, umalume sebengangibiza mshana ubale lana ukuthi eyami i-system ngidinga amapaneli amangaki. Okay, so at the end of the day the last thing esikhulume ngayo was ukuthi yini affecta ugesi, i-amount of ugesi eproduce ama-solar panels akho. So that was pretty much it for the day. Sengizoposta kusasa senginitshela ukuthi yini ebiyenziwa kusasa. Yeah, so sorry for ivideo ende. Good night team.